Hi, this is Sean, and today we're going to talk about how ChatGPT, which is a super smart computer helper, learns to talk with us. You ready? Let's go. Let's get started. First, we need to teach ChatGPT lots of words and ideas. And we do this by showing it tons of stuff from the internet, like stories and articles and things like that. This helps ChatGPT learn about language and how to make sentences. After ChatGPT learns a lot, we need to make it better. We show it special examples made by people called reviewers. They help ChatGPT understand how to talk to us in a friendly, helpful, respectful way. Now, the people who made ChatGPT, we call them the developers, work together with the reviewers. They talk about how ChatGPT can do better and learn from its mistakes, and they work on improving it. Sometimes ChatGPT might say things that aren't nice or they're true. That's because it's learned stuff from the internet and there's all kinds of things on the internet that it has picked up on. And everything there, like we say, is not perfect. But don't worry about that. Developers who made ChatGPT and the reviewers who review ChatGPT, they work together and they work hard to make ChatGPT better, friendlier, and much smarter. So it gets better every day. And that's how ChatGPT learns to talk to us. It's amazing how smart computers can be and how quickly they can learn. It has developed and grown over the past year. And we've only had access to it or maybe about 6 months now, and how it's changed so many businesses and how many people's lives and it created so much opportunity. So again, thanks for listening. I hope you learned a little bit from this video. And join me next time while we can talk more about ChatGPT and how it could benefit you in your everyday life. Have a great day.